Hey, what's up, ladies and gentle-tubers? Welcome back to the eveRide Chan, where today we've got an excellent adventure with two amazing families and a sweeper. Family vacations can be interesting. My family and I recently tried a minivan getaway and made the relatively short trek to the Magic Kingdom. I don't really know what happened over the years, but I guess I didn't really raise my kids on the Disney stuff, so they just didn't really get Disneyland, and I don't blame them. There's the crowds and the lines and the constant music and sound being played over the loudspeakers all the time. It was just a bit of sensory overload for everybody, and I think we're more of a beach family anyway. But it was fun overall, and we were really grateful to get the opportunity to go and experience what so many people genuinely love, and our friends the Dempsters and the Kimballs were amazing as always to help us organize the trip. So the following week, when the McLeod family, the Casteel family, and their mutual friend Brad Parker, aka Sweeper, arrived for their family vacations, I was determined to make sure that it would be something they'd remember for a lifetime, and not in a National Lampoon kind of way. Now, there's always a certain amount of pressure that goes along with filming these rides in Southwest Utah. People come from all over the world to experience an Iron Horse adventure in the last uncrowded remnant of the American Wild West. But the stress and planning and money that goes into a family vacation was really fresh on my mind, and these families had made a big gamble to spend thousands of dollars to ship their motorcycles across the country, fly themselves to Utah, basically put the fate of their entire vacation in my hands. So it was up to me to find the best, most appropriate trails for this diverse group of riders, feed them outstanding food, and make sure that they were relaxed, comfortable, and well-rested for the next day's rides. It was kind of a tall order, but I think we pulled it off. Make sure I wasn't taking them on something too hard or too easy, day one was spent on easy dirt in the transition zone where the red of the Colorado Plateau fades into the white rock and Dr. Susie Joshua trees of the Mojave Desert. Day two, however, once I had an idea of what the group was comfortable with and preferred, we dove headfirst into Southwest Utah's lesser known and equally uncrowded playground. Now, something changed here because I've always been nervous about hosting rides with non-street legal motorcycles, and especially riders under 21. And over the last 6 months, I've actually been phasing out private rides, but this one really gave me some new perspective on hosting families and groups of friends for custom rallies, even if there are young kids or unplated dirt bikes. I had an absolute blast, and from the hugs and warm farewells, I think that the McLeods and Casteels and Mr. Parker all had a good time too. They came as strangers and left as my friends, and it was my absolute pleasure to host such great people. So if you are interested in bringing your family out for an all-inclusive private film adventure in the Badlands, thank the Casteels and the McLeods for opening the private rallies up again, because I was pretty much done with them. So, a huge thanks to all of my good new friends who have attended weekender or private rides, and enormous thanks to my patrons and the producers for making every one of these videos possible. And please forgive me for lagging a bit this month. It really has been just absolutely swamped. So, thanks you guys for your support and your kindness and for hanging in there. And thank you for watching. And as always, much love. eveRide out.